In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change tempo Soundtrap. If you want your song to feel a little faster, a bit more relaxed, or you just need it to match another track's pace, adjusting tempo in Soundtrap is quick and reliable. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, open your web browser and head to Soundtrap's Music Maker site. Using a modern, updated browser will help everything load smoothly, especially the studio. Next, click Login. On the Login page, choose Login with Google. This tutorial follows the Google sign-in flow, but use whatever method your account is set up for. Select your Google account to continue. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that as usual. No need to type any personal details in the studio itself. Once you're in, you'll land on your home area with your projects. Find the project you want to work on, then click Studio to open it. The studio is where your tracks, timeline, and transport controls live, and it's where we'll make the tempo change. Inside your project, click the track you want to focus on. Tempo in Soundtrap is a project-level setting, but selecting a track can help you monitor how the change affects your arrangement and keeps your editing context clear. Now look for the tempo control in the transport bar, usually labeled with BPM. Click on Tempo to open the Tempo panel. This is where you decide how fast or slow your project will run. Increase or decrease the tempo using the plus or minus controls, or type a specific BPM if you already know the exact value you want. Small adjustments, like 2 to 5 BPM at a time, are great for fine-tuning. Bigger jumps can dramatically change the groove, so consider previewing a few values before committing. Keep in mind that MIDI regions adapt very cleanly, while audio recordings and loops will time stretch to fit. When you're happy with the number, click Apply. The project will update to the new tempo. Give it a quick listen from a busy section to make sure transitions and grooves still feel right. You'll be prompted to click Adjust. This confirms that Soundtrap should adapt your regions to the new tempo. Go ahead and click Adjust to let the studio retime your material. If something doesn't sound the way you expected, you can always undo and try a slightly different BPM. That's it, you've changed the tempo in Soundtrap, kept your project in sync, and set yourself up for smoother arranging and mixing. Take a moment to play back the track and confirm everything locks in nicely, and you're ready to move on with your production.